Welcome to Villa Acacia Hidden Resort, your perfect getaway destination for relaxation, fun, and unforgettable memories. Located in the heart of Giginto, Bulacan, just less than an hour away from Manila. Plant lover? Our resort is conveniently located near shops offering a wide variety of beautiful plants. Perfect for all the certified plantitas and plantitos out there. Dive into bliss with our adult glass swimming pool. Or let the kids enjoy their own kiddie pool and jacuzzi, all with no time limit. Freshen up at our convenient outdoor shower for that complete poolside experience. Exclusive perks at Villa Acacia. Relax in the air-conditioned lounge area with a cozy sofa set and mini bar. Sing your heart out or watch on a 65-inch smart TV with karaoke. Stay connected with free Wi-Fi. And enjoy access to our third floor. Complete with a bathroom and sofa set. A perfect spot for quiet relaxation or bonding time. Choose from our 3 air-conditioned room options, thoughtfully designed to give you and your group a relaxing and comfortable stay. This elevated space offers the perfect spot to unwind. Whether you're enjoying a cup of coffee in the morning or gazing at the stars at night. With breathtaking night lights that illuminate the serene surroundings, and a majestic acacia tree standing gracefully at the heart of the resort. It's a perfect blend of nature and tranquility. Cook, dine, and unwind in our well-equipped outdoor spaces. Gather around the outdoor dining area for your meals, prepared using our 2-burner gas stove, refrigerator, and water dispenser. Book now and create unforgettable moments with your loved ones.